Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your licensed Office edition and where the product key or Microsoft account details are stored. Once done, use an internet-enabled PC to download the official offline installer ISO or executable. This prevents corrupted web installs. Make sure to prepare an 8 GB USB drive formatted NTFS and temporarily disable real-time antivirus. This avoids interruptions. You should also set power settings to never sleep. Now copy the installer to USB and safely eject when complete. You plug the USB into the target Windows 10 PC and run the installer as administrator, allowing UAC prompts. Next, choose the custom install option so you only install needed apps and languages. This saves space and keeps startup lean. If the setup prompts to install prerequisites like NET or Visual C++ runtimes, allow those. Office relies on them. Once installation completes, reboot the system to finalize component registration and ensure file associations update properly. You now activate Office using your product key or by signing into the associated Microsoft account. If online activation fails, choose telephone activation and follow the prompts. Make sure Office is kept up to date by applying downloaded update packages or using WSUS for offline patching. If something goes wrong, run the built-in Office repair from Programs and Features, verify DNS and proxy settings, and inspect the setup logs in your temp folder for error codes. This usually reveals the root cause and next.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.